Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are diving into a crucial concept for competitive exams, so that is finding the rank of a word in the dictionary. This skill falls under permutation combinations and it's incredibly useful. In this video, we will focus on words without repeating alphabets. Let's take a word father as an example. We are going to find the rank of the word father using a trick. The trick is to determine its rank in the dictionary. We first arrange the letters alphabetically and assign each letter a numerical rank based on its position in the word. A comes first, give a number 1. E comes second. Then F comes number 3, followed by H, R, and 6. Now, starting with F, look to the right. You have to look to the right. So, for the F, we have the number 3, that means rank 3. Here, count how many letters have a lower rank than F. We have a rank 1, that is lower than 3, and then another number is 2. This is lower than 3. So we have A and E. So that means 2. Write a number 2 here. Moving to A, here also we look to the right and count how many letters have a lower rank than A. So the rank A has 1. We don't have any lower rank than 1. So that's why just write 0. Similarly, now move to T. For the T, the number is 6 and you always look to the right. So this is the 6. This 4 is a lower rank than 6 and 2 is a lower rank than 6 and 5 also lower rank than 6. So we have 3 ranks. So write number 3. Then move to H. It has 4. Now count how many letters have a lower rank than H. So only we have 1. So just write only 1. Then go with E. It has 2. So lower than 2 we don't have. So just write 0. And go move with R. And 5 lower number we don't have. Just write 0 here. After that just write factorials. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Now multiply each term by the factorial. 2 times 5 factorial, 0 times 4 factorial is 0 only. This is 3 times 3 factorial and this is 1 times 2 factorial. Here 0 times 1 factorial is 0, then 0 times 0 factorial is 0. Now add all this and also add plus 1. Don't forget this one, just always add plus 1. What is 5 factorial? 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. The value is 120. 120 times 2 is 240 plus 3 factorial is 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 factorial is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and then you have plus 1. Don't forget that one. So 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 240 is 260 plus 1 is 261. So the word father has 261th rank. Let's take an example, Spain. First we arrange the letters alphabetically and assign each letter a numerical rank based on its position in the word. So first comes A, then I, and followed by N, P, S. Now focusing on S and look to the right, count how many letters have a lower rank than S. For the S you have 5. 5 lower than is 4, 1, it is lower, 2, 3. We have 4 letters. So just write 4. And move to P. Look to the right. So that means don't look this S. Look to the right only. And check how many letters have lower rank than P. So 1 we have, 2 and 3. So 1 is lower than 4, 2 is lower than 4, 3 is lower than 4. So we have 3 letters. So just write 3. Now move to A. A has rank 1. We don't have any lower than numbers than 1. So that's why just write 0. And then move to I. I has number 2 and here rank we don't have in the right. So that's why just write 0. Then move to N. In the right hand side we don't have any letter. So that means we don't have any lower rank. That's why write a 0. Now simply write 0 factorial 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Then multiply each and every term. 4 times 4 factorial. Do plus. Then finally add plus 1. Next 3 times 3 factorial. 0 times 2 factorial is 0 plus 0 times 1 factorial is 0 plus 0 times 0 factorial is 0 plus 1. So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2. So this is 24. So we have 4 times 4 factorial. That is 24 times 4 is 96. 3 factorial is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1. After adding all this, you will get 96 plus 18 is 114. 114 plus 1 is 115th rank. The word Spain has 115th rank. Isn't it so easy? Let's see the word Paris. A comes first, then I comes second, P comes third, followed by R, then S. Now focus on P. Look to the right. Count how many letters have lower than this rank 3. We have 1, that is A. We have 2, that is I. So we have 2 letters, just write 2. Now move to A. Always look to the right. Lower than 1 we don't have, so that's why just write 0. Then move to R. It has 4, and lower than 4 we have only 1, so just write 1. Then move to I. I has 2 lower than letter we don't have, so just write 0. And move to S. The 5 lower than we don't have any letter, so write 0. Now multiply with the factorials. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and then you add it. When you are adding time, you have to add plus 1 here. 4 factorial is 24. 24 times 2 is 48 plus 3 factorial times 0 is 0 plus 2 factorial times 1 is 2. Then this 0 times 1 factorial is 0 and 0 times 0 factorial is 0. So this is 0 and you have plus 1. 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 plus 1 is 51. So the word Paris has 51st rank. I hope you really enjoyed this topic. If you really enjoyed this topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.